Hey everyone, so this will be a quick unboxing here of the brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. The one I have is the middle one. It has 256 gigabytes of storage. Reason for that is I did not pre-order these. When I went to pre-order them, they were already on back order. But my local Best Buy actually had one in stock. And then this is the one they had in stock. This is the last one they had in stock actually. And look at that, 14.6 inches. Of course, we'll come right back to that. Then at the end here, we'll do a quick side-by-side comparison for size-wise for this and then the S7 Plus. So, of course, you get the S Pen, looks identical to the S7 S Pen. So we get, of course, oh, actually, what is this? Ooh, that's a nice looking cable. So USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Honestly, I thought that was the paperwork. Here's your little pin thing to get out. Actually, I don't know what that is to get out. I don't think these are expandable storage anymore, are they? Terms and conditions, there's your paperwork. No, that is the best part, is the paperwork. That's what everybody wants, right? Alright, so super excited for this. This thing is super duper thin. I mean, this thing is ginormous. I mean, I thought the S7 Plus was big at, what, 12.4 inches? This thing is just huge. I mean, this is about as big as my laptop is, screen-wise. Oh my god, look at that beautiful thing. Look at that. So you have your power button, volume rocker there, mic. Okay, oh, maybe, is this still expandable? Maybe I'm thinking of the S22s. So you got dual speakers right here, another mic. The spot here for the keyboard. If you guys did pre-order one of these, you'd actually get the keyboard for free. That is otherwise $350, which is kind of crazy. USB Type-C, of course, and then two more speakers there. Front-facing camera. Sure don't smack anything with this. Want to hurt it. And then you have your cameras. Excuse me. There's multiple there. Then also the LEDs, flash. Then this before the. Let's see. It might be upside down. There we go. That says nice Samsung right there. And then it is sound by AKG, like always. Alright then, of course that is the Ultra next to the Plus. Well, in this case it is the S7 Plus. The S8 Plus will also be the same size here. You can actually see they minimized even more so the bezels on the side there, which is crazy. This is already super small bezels. Got some stuck on there. So see the size difference here. Sort of, they're both giant tablets. Then this was from the Ultra. And then this is from the S7 Plus. So these look identical. I don't think they really changed these up at all. I think it's the same exact S Pen. So, stay tuned, guys. I'm going to be making a crazy amount of videos on the brand new Ultra, including a comparison between that and the S7 SM Plus here. Along with pretty much any other tablet I have. Maybe we'll even do a comparison between this and the $50 Amazon Fire 7. Just because, why not? So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Whole bunch of comparison videos to come. Thank you all very much for watching. As always, I really do appreciate ya. Hope y'all have a good one. See you guys next time. Goodbye.